For the winterization, you need about 4 gallons of unfreezing. Minus 25 Fahrenheit should be enough. You're gonna need this. So we're gonna pour all of that in here. This will be attached here, these hoses. The hoses has a T, so the water, the clean water is gonna get here. And then this side, I'm gonna connect to the bolt. Right there, where I have this hose right here, will come the hose that goes out from the gallon. I'll show you in a minute. You also need some fogging oil to kill the engine. I will show you how you do that as well. If you don't have this plug, here, you can use this regular device here that you attach it here, and then same thing, right? The water is gonna come through this, and the engine is gonna suck the antifreezing fluid from here. My boat has a special port, so I'm gonna be using that to do it. Now I'm gonna get the water. So as you can see here, just the water. The water coming in will go here. I don't actually need this because I already have a shut-off valve right here. So I'm gonna put this here. Right here. What happens when I open, the water is gonna go through. Right here, I'm gonna connect this to the boat. And then when it's time to get the antifreezing going in, we're gonna shut this valve off and open this one, and then this fluid will go into the engine. So I got this hose. Oops. This side goes here. Like so. And then right here from the boat, I got this hose here. All right, now the water is flowing here. As you can see, water from here straight to the boat. I can just shut off the valve. The water stops there. I'm gonna leave it open and finish up. We are going to start the motor now. All right, with the engine running, open the valve here. Look at the color in the hose. And very soon you see that fluid is flowing and it's going to pop right here. Remember to open this vent. Right now, the color is already changing, indicating that the fluid is already going through the engine. Fluid is going through the engine right now. Probably don't need to run the entire thing, so I'm gonna stop right here. Now while the engine is still running, you need to kill it with the fog oil. I'm just gonna put on very low speed. Now open this up. It's oil fogging, and you just spray. Spray it till you kill. There you go. The engine is dead now. Has all of this oil in there. It's gonna protect it. It's not gonna rust or anything. Put the cap back on. And let's see what happened here. It was perfect timing. We were able to run the whole 4 gallons of anti-freezing, and we're ready to go. The engine is ready to be parked for the winter. That's really what it takes to do the winterization of any boat. Thanks for watching. The winterization is complete, but what I like to do as well, I will disconnect the batteries. Oops. Because I'm gonna store this battery so it doesn't lose power, because it's gonna be not working for quite some time. So I'll remove this right here. Wow. Have a second one as well, just in case. I'll be connecting those to a device I'm gonna show later that will keep this as new for the next season. That's about it. Thanks for watching again. Enjoy your boat while you can. make the proper maintenance. I have videos on how to change the filter, the gas filter, oil filter, how to change the oil right here, how to change your impeller, which is something you gotta check. So stay tuned for more. Thank you.